Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Jack from Capable, and in this session, we're going to cover a super handy feature, how to use the word count tool in Confluence. Whether you're writing up documentation, drafting a blog post, or managing content-heavy pages, keeping track of word count, paragraph count, and character limits can be essential. So why is the word count feature useful? Here are a few examples. Keeping content within word count guidelines, tracking progress on reports or articles, or analyzing text for readability for SEO. So let's dive straight in and take a look at how you can access these stats directly in Confluence, both for an entire page and for specific text in a page. So as you can see here, I've got a page which we're using to plan our new Twitter post. And I'd like to see just if we're in the word limits of that platform. So one way I can do this really easily is by clicking on the Capable menu, going down to metrics, and you can see here it's got a nice basic list of these stats. So I can see the paragraph, the word, and the character count all from within this panel. So that's nice and easy. Another way I might want to do this is to just see the amount of words or characters in a specific piece of selected text. So in Confluence, I can select a specific piece of text here, click on the Apps menu, and click View Word or Character Count. And you can see here, very similarly, we can see the word count and the character count just for the text that I've selected here. And that's not it. There's one more way that we can actually track the word count for the whole page without having to click on anything. So at the bottom of my page, if I type /word count, press enter, this will now insert a macro into my page that lets me just really easily see these counts directly in the page there. And that's it. Now you know how to track word and character counts in your pages. And it's that easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Confluence tips, tricks, and productivity hacks. Let us know in the comments what other features you'd like to learn about, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.